Today, you can order 4 free rapid tests from the federal government. All you need to do is fill out the order form at covidtest.gov, and the test will be mailed to you. Originally, the website to order the test was not supposed to go live until tomorrow. We do have a link, though, to the site on the Channel 3 app.
Yeah, very, very easy to use. So if you go to it,
super easy. It takes less than a minute.
Well, as more people use at-home COVID tests, there are questions about whether Connecticut's positivity rate could be skewed.
And right now, there is no way for those results to actually show up in the state's data. Tonight on The Answer Desk, Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino asked the governor if that will change. And Mike, what did he have to say?
Well, Mark and Aaron, the governor says that he's worried that self-reporting may not be reliable in that data. And doctors we talked to say that they do have other ways of tracking some important metrics, including those who are getting really sick. I also asked doctors how people should be using these test kits.
But this way now you can actually check to see how you're doing along the way in a simple, easy to use from the comfort of your own.
Getting a COVID test will soon be a little bit easier. The Biden administration today letting people request at-home testing kits. The first kits will be delivered later this month, but there is a limit. So when should you use those kits? Doctors do disagree some.
In terms of the timing, it really depends what you're taking it for.
If you don't have symptoms and you're checking, hey, am I good to go to grandma's? It's really not the point of this test.
Doctors say at-home kits are a great way for people to get tested when appointments are hard to come by. But those numbers don't show up in the state's daily positivity numbers. Should they?
We should have a way for people to either, a phone number to call or go online and report their positive tests.
So is Governor Ned Lamont going to open up a self-reporting system?
I think it'd still be pretty erratic, let's put it that way, if I said, please, not only take the test, but get it uploaded on a regular basis.
Lamont also says that data just from the testing clinics should still be enough to stay on top of trends. Meanwhile, doctors say that they watch more important numbers, like COVID hospitalizations and patients in intensive care.
As those numbers begin to decrease, the incidence of those positives may not be as important, especially if we move into the endemic phase.
So if you test positive at home, should you tell someone?
But the reason that people who do have a positive test should be telling their providers or letting a healthcare provider know is that there might be treatment options, that are available to you early on in the course of the disease.
Now, doctors also stress the importance of following the instructions when doing one of these at-home tests. Ignoring the instructions, for example, trying to do a saliva swab, could show the wrong result. Now, we're working every day to get answers for you. And if there's a question or an issue that you want us to look into, use the Channel 3 app to tell us about it. Live from the Answer Desk, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.